Hello everyone, welcome to Tactim. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to see Discord password if you forgot it. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tactim. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings. Now scroll down and search for Google. Here it is, you have to press on this. Now click on your Gmail account. Now press on manage your Google account. Now go to security. Now scroll down. Here you can see password manager, you have to press on this. Now here you can see discord.com. If you want to see this password, then you have to press on it. Use your pattern. Here is your Discord password. That's it. So this is how to see Discord password if you forget it. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.